Ever felt awkward ordering a coffee like you're speaking a foreign language? Let's fix that once and for all. I'm going to break down 9 popular coffees so next time when you walk up with confidence. The first is espresso. It's nothing but just pure strong coffee, nothing else. Americano, it's espresso plus hot water with a milder taste. The next is latte. Espresso with steamed milk, smooth and creamy. Cappuccino, equal parts of espresso, milk and foam. A classic. Next is flat white. It's just like a latte but with less foam and more espresso. Next is mocha, one of my favorites. It's latte that meets with chocolate, sweet and bold. Next is macchiato. It's espresso with a dollop of foam, minimalist and strong. The next one is affogato. It's espresso poured over ice cream. Yum! It's just a dessert in a cup. The next one is cold brew. It's a coffee steeped cold for hours. It's refreshing and smooth, a perfect drink for your summers. Now you know what's what. So order with confidence and be bold when you order something when you're out with somebody in a coffee shop. If you want the entire list, just comment coffee down below and I will share the list with you. So next time you walk in with grace. Don't forget to share this with someone who may need it. And also follow me for more.